as you know, you can send different photos or videos or even voice messages on your Instagram DMs. But in this video, we want to see if there's a way for us to share PDF files on our direct messages. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I head over to my DMs, and let's say I want to send a PDF file to this friend of mine. And as you can see, I could send her a voice message or maybe a photo or video, or maybe some stickers or GIF. And what happens if I tap on this plus icon? Well, maybe I could send her a location or draw something for her. So as we can see, there is no way that we can send a PDF file through the platform of Instagram. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to open our browser and search for WeTransfer. Now, this website has been created for us to upload files and then create a link and share that link with other people on Instagram so they could have access to that PDF file. So here I'm going to tap on Upload Files and choose it from my files. And here, let's say I want to share this file with my friend. So I'm just going to upload it, and then I'm going to tap on Get a Link. Here it says for how long this file will be kept. So if you want to keep it for 1 day or 3 days, that's free. But if you want it to be kept more than that, maybe forever, you need to pay for a premium account first. So let's say I just want it to be there for 3 days. I'm going to tap on Get a Link. And here, this is the link. I'm just going to copy the link and open my Instagram and share that link with my friend. And that way, when she taps on that, she will have access to the file that I uploaded and sent her the link for. Hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe for more.